The mobile phone sensor from Bellman and Symfon is an accessory that detects incoming calls or notifications from your cell phone or tablet. It needs to plug into other Bellman products such as the telephone transmitter, the flash receiver, the alarm clock receiver, or the Alarm Clock Pro. Let's look inside the box. Here is the mobile phone sensor, a battery pack with a 3.5mm jack, a AAA alkaline battery, and a user manual. The mobile phone sensor has a lens on the bottom that is highly sensitive to light. When the cell phone or tablet receives an incoming call or a notification, the screen lights up and the mobile phone sensor detects that light. To get started, we'll talk about connecting the mobile phone sensor to the other Bellman products. Let's start with the telephone transmitter. There are two different ways to connect to the telephone transmitter. The first connection is under the battery cover. Plug the mobile phone sensor into the port that has a picture of the mobile phone sensor. Once the mobile phone sensor is connected to the telephone transmitter, place the mobile phone sensor on top of your cell phone screen. Whenever you receive an incoming call or notification on your cell phone, the telephone transmitter is activated and sending out a radio signal. Depending on your receiver, you will be notified by sounds, flashing lights, or vibrations to indicate your cell phone has received an incoming call or notification. The second connection is connecting to the external trigger port on the side of the telephone transmitter. To connect to the external trigger port, open the battery pack and place the AAA battery inside. Then connect the 2.5mm jack on the sensor to the battery pack. Lastly, connect the 3.5mm jack to the external trigger port. To connect the mobile phone sensor to the flash receiver, plug the 2.5mm jack into the mobile phone sensor port on the back of the flash receiver. When you receive an incoming call or notification on your cell phone, the flash receiver will notify you with bright flashes. To connect the mobile phone sensor to the alarm clocks, plug the 3.5mm jack into the external trigger port. Whenever you receive an incoming call or notification from your cell phone, the alarm clocks will notify you with sound, flashes, and vibrations from the bed shaker. In some cases, the brightness setting on the cell phone is too low for the mobile phone sensor's lens to detect it. You may need to adjust the brightness of the screen on your cell phone so the mobile phone sensor can better detect notifications for you. Another important tip. We recommend that you put the mobile phone sensor on the light areas on your phone. Placing the mobile phone sensor on dark areas or completely black areas might affect the detection, as the light difference in a dark or black area is too little to detect. And that is the mobile phone sensor.